In this episode, we replaced the front lip, possibly the back lip, but that won't happen until another day. So if this is long enough, I'll just make this a clip. If not, we'll do the front and back lip together, but I'll show you guys this. So it's got the stock factory lip on it right now. See, it's in pretty decent shape. It's got this one piece of pretty good damage down here. This has been ground on a curb. And if you take this down, you can see the actual bumper behind it is cracked pretty good. So I've got an aftermarket one I've been wanting to put on. So we are going to go ahead and tackle that. Up in the air, and how these are held on. So there's just two screws on the end here. And then if you look underneath, there's these tabs that are supposed to be screwed in. But on this car, they're all missing and zip tied. So they're probably mostly going to get zip tied back on. And in case you're wondering, it's from the Subaru. Thanks, Adam. So there you can see what it looks like with no front lip. And as I said, this is all busted and I really want to fix it better. I could stitch this up with zip ties much better, but I don't have enough zip ties on hand for now. Also, as you can see, so it has one actual bracket, these two, and then 1, 2 are completely missing and broken off. So if you look, the new lip doesn't really have any mounting points. Even the ends I'm going to have to mark and just punch the screws through. So I'm going to try, well, we're going to try. We're going to do our best. Okay, so it's almost on, but the center section's obviously sagging a little, so I'm going to use this factory little bracket and another piece of metal and make kind of an additional bracket to hold this thing up there better. You're probably going to hear me say this a lot, but you know, with eBay parts comes eBay fitment. So the sides are okay, but this middle part I just can't. I had to make a little bracket underneath and I just can't get it to tuck in to the bumper like I want it to be. So this will probably take some more modification, but there it is. That's the new current look for the SI. I'm gonna scrape this thing on absolutely everything, I can tell you that right now. But anyways, let me know what you think. We'll be getting the rear lip, and I've also got some little mud flaps I'm going to throw on there too, just because I can. So until next time, thanks for watching.